Hi guys, Liam here, and I'm going to talk about the GoXLR from the point of pretty much a teeny streamer, sometimes YouTuber, but not that often. So the GoXLR, as you all probably know, is an amazing bit of kit. It's really well built. It's got amazing sliders, which feel really pleasing, and it's got all this extra voice modulation and sampling stuff, which is amazing.
Handy.
So the I/O on this, there's not much on the front or the bottom. You got a nice little cable tidy bit there, which is actually really handy. And on the back, it's really simple. So you have your headphone jack, your line out if you're plugging it into speakers, your mic, and your line in. So your line in and your line out is really good if you have a dual PC streaming setup, so you can plug them all in and still control all your audio through this. And it's got your USB, it's just a USB-A, power, and an optical drive, which I don't actually know what that is, what that's for. I've never used one in my life, and I think every sound gadget I have has one. Something I really like about it, which I can't show you right now because it's not plugged in the computer, is each light is customizable, so you can change it all however you want. There's like a whole rainbow of colours, which I really like. So one of the many reasons a streamer might have this is because the software for it makes it really good to edit your audio when you're streaming. So you can change all of these to individual things. So for example, you can have this for your headphones, you can change your audio volume for what you hear. You can have this for like your party chat, which is good, just general game audio. And then this would be for your notification audio. And that's the best part about the GoXLR. I'm not going to explain how to set this up and get the audio all perfect, how you want it, because there's better, more in-depth videos out there. Just look for them, you'll find them, it'll be perfect. What I am going to talk about is whether it's worth buying as a small streamer. And I don't mean to brag, but I've got some money. So I bought this during the lockdown because all my favourite streamers had it and it looked amazing. And I thought, you know what? This would be amazing. I'll change all my stuff every now and then. And then I'll have fun with the voice modulator, creating samples, usually fart noises to be honest, but it is fun to play. So you can have 12 different samples, so these all change. It's not plugged into a computer right now, so it won't change. But you have all of these, and each one can be a different sample. However, is it worth the money? So this is £350, I believe. Like I said, I've got money. Sean was pulling her face. However, you don't need to get this. What you really want is the audio software, which you can get on just the GoXLR Mini. So this, you can buy a Mini, I think 150. I'm gonna look it up, because that's probably quite important. So you can get a GoXLR Mini, which is just this side, for £138, which is £200 cheaper than all of this. And like I said, this bit is the best part for GoXLR. When I first bought it, I thought I'll be using this side, the modulator side, all the time, and I just don't. And there's a better thing out there if you're going to do sampling, or if you're going to do like voice modulation and stuff. You can get a Stream Deck, which is £120 right now, just the normal one, not the big or the small one, but that's 16 buttons, I believe, so a bit more than what you have here. And then you can also download Voice Mod, which is free software, and you can set up your own voice modulation and do it on the Stream Deck, and then do more things with the Stream Deck, so it's a lot handier. That would be £250, so still £100 cheaper than this. Another thing which is not great is the actual size of it. Initially I think it's a really good, nice size. However, when you have your keyboard, you've got your light strapped to your desk, you got all your monitors and everything, it's actually quite big, almost too big for your desk. It does take up a large amount of room, and it's difficult to get it positioned where you exactly want it. So in hindsight, I would have got the GoXLR Mini, which does all the audio control, everything you need, the one I use most. And then, like I said, I would get the
Stream Deck.
Thank you. And then I would get the Stream Deck and download Voice Mod to get that all sorted. With this being a bit big as well, if you got the two smaller ones, the GoXLR Mini and the Stream Deck, you could split them up. So you can have your GoXLR at your right hand, whatever side hand, this side, or you could have your Stream Deck at left. Mix it up. I'm not going to tell you what hands are which. And then it would just make so much more room. I know it would make a lot more room on my desk, and it would make setting things up a lot easier. However, one thing which is very important about a GoXLR, which I didn't realize before I bought it, is it doesn't work with Mac. To make it work with Mac, you'd have to download Windows Boot Camp, which is a bit of a ball ache. So I was planning on using my Mac as a streaming PC and using my PC as a gaming one and use this as audio. Not possible because, like I said, it just doesn't work on the Mac. And TC Helicon have come out and said that they are not going to change it for the Mac, so it's a PC only one. If you stream off a console and use your MacBook as a streaming one, again, you can't get this because it just won't work. So be very aware if you're heavily Mac dependent, it's not working with GoXLR. And that's it, guys. If you've got any questions about the GoXLR, ask us in the comments. I'll try to help as much as I can. Like I said, we're small-time YouTubers. I'm not a GoXLR expert, but I have used it a lot, so I might get some questions which you Google and you might not be able to find. So just ask below, and thanks for watching. Toodle poop. And when you're in the comments, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you for the next video.
Okay. Good Lord.